So the S26 Ultra is in the house. So let's get this thing unboxed and get a look at it. So I went for the black this year and I got the free 512 gig storage upgrade. So let's get it unboxed. So here we go. So I do have my S25 Ultra here as well, so we're going to get a transfer of this over to this and we're going to get this sorted. That's the one thing I'm going to miss, is even with a case, this phone is going to really rock. Whereas, I mean, the S25 Ultra, like especially with the Kadabi sheath, that was just smooth. So it was so much nicer to work with. So this is one of the things that I really like that Samsung have done, because one of my biggest gripes about Samsungs for years has always been the bloatware that goes in, and you can actually remove the ones that you don't want, which is pretty good. I use a lot of Google services and I don't see the need for a lot of Samsung stuff as well, because you're either one or the other, and I like that you're getting the choice now. You're not just getting everything blasted at you, which is really good. So this is going to take about an hour to transfer all my stuff across. We'll let it do its thing and we'll check back in. Okay, so we are done with the S25 Ultra. Happy days. Cool. So I can just set that to the side. And now, moment of truth. We'll just pop out my SIM card. See? My SIM card. In here. There we go. Still rocking the physical SIM tray. And there we go. We are live. While it's still installing my apps and bits and bobs in the background, I'll just set it off to the side while it's charging, and we will bring in this. So big shout out to Benks for sponsoring this video, and the first thing you're going to want to do is get cases for your phone. So Benks have sent me across the lineup. We have the lineup of the ArmorPros and we have the ArmorAirs here as well. So what's the difference between these cases? Well, the ArmorPro is a full bumper case that protects the entirety of the phone, and it comes in a selection of colors. We have this armor grid pattern. We also have the montage, which is always a classic, and we have the Aurora, which is also another classic from Benks. Or if you just want to go for that standard pattern, we have the 600D, which is super nice. So that is our ArmorPros. But if you want something a bit more minimal and a bit more lightweight, then these are the ArmorAirs. So this is the armor grid pattern as well, which is super nice. So this is more thin. It has exposed buttons and exposed cutouts, but it gives you that ultra thin minimal experience. So we do have this purple edition, which I think is, which I can't really see on their website yet, so I'm not sure if this one is coming later, but they sent this to me anyway, and I think it looks really nice. It'll go well with a black phone, but if you have the purple phone, yeah. And of course the Aurora as well, the montage. So if you like all of your armored patterns, that's the one to go for. And then we have the armor grid in blue, which I really like. This looks super smart, and I think that'll go really well with the black phone. I went for the black phone this year because I just think black will go well with most cases. So yes, and the armor tint in blue, and then the traditional 600D as well. So there's the 600D ArmorAir on the black phone, which is super nice. And then the armor tint in blue. Again, the black is kind of like a dark grey, which I think really works. If it was like a jet black, I think there's a lot of colours wouldn't really go well. But because it's that colour and it looks nearly like a dark grey, I think most cases are going to really suit it. And then the blue armour grid, which is super nice. Super nice. And then montage, lovely. And then Aurora, look at that. So nice. And then the purple armor tint. That looks really cool. Looks really premium, doesn't it? But if you want that full protection, then the ArmorPro is where it's at. So you'll get full bumper protection all the way around, but you'll get the same quality Kevlar goodness. You'll get that same metal camera guard as well. And yeah, really nice case. And then the montage, which is super nice. Lovely. And the Aurora. And then the classic 600D. Super clean, super minimal, but still protective. Goes so well with this black phone. So that is my S26 Ultra up and running, set up and ready to roll. SIM card installed, we're good to go. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you want to see from the S26 Ultra? Do you want to see camera tests, a full review, accessories? What do you want to see? Let me know in the comments down below. Big shout out to Benks for sponsoring this video and giving us a first look at those cases. There will be a full review of these cases coming, so you'll get all that goodness for screen lips and MagSafe testing and all that sort of stuff. So that's all coming, so stay tuned for that coming. But if you do want to pick up some of these cases early, I'll leave you affiliate links in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support, much appreciated. And that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep a look at the channel. I'm going to be coming thick and fast with S26 Ultra content, so stay tuned. And if you want to see some more content just like this, you can check it out right here.